क्या आप जानती हैं 80% इंडियन वुमेन सफर फ्रॉम अ विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी? इजंट दैट स्ट्रेंज? क्योंकि बचपन से हमें बताया जाता है कि विटामिन डी धूप से मिलती है एंड वी स्टे इन सच अ सनी क्लाइमेट। फिर ये अलार्मिंग नंबर्स क्यों हैं? आज you and I will go on this journey together to answer exactly this question. Hi, my name is Anisha De Silva Seth and I'm the social media director at Pinky Promise. And today with us we have Pinky Promise की trusted gynecologist Dr. Vinnati Manyar, जो डॉली को कन्विंस करेगी अपनी विटामिन डी की गोली खाने।
Oh my dolly dolly, मेरी विटामिन की गोली।
Let's get into it. Welcome Dr. Vinnati.
Thank you, Anisha.
So let's just get straight into it. Tell us why 80% women suffer from this deficiency.
So first things first, we need to understand that vitamin D is not just a vitamin. It is also a hormone.
Okay, hold on. Vitamin D is a hormone.
Absolutely, yes.
Which means उसकी deficiency मेरे hormones को affect कर सकती है.
100%. So basically, vitamin D, it is a hormone which has vitamin D receptors, the VDRs. These receptors are also present in your reproductive system, which is the uterus, the ovaries, etc. So when there is a vitamin D deficiency, basically these receptors don't get enough vitamin D into the receptors, which causes this hormonal imbalance.
Wow. And is this the only thing it affects, like just my hormones?
Absolutely, it doesn't stop there. So vitamin D also affects other parts of your body, like the bones. Vitamin D deficiency can cause osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. It can also cause muscle weakness. So, you have these generalized body aches. That is also because of vitamin D deficiency. And of course, it also causes mental health issues. So, I'll give you one example. I've had patients who've taken like long therapy sessions, and later on we just get to know that it is the deficiency of the vitamin D that has caused all her symptoms, and just supplementations of vitamin D, good diet and exposure to the sunlight, all these things have really helped them a lot.
So you're telling me my anxiety fix could be a walk in the park?
It's not, you cannot generalize it that way, but definitely we do have patients who have had such symptoms, and it can be cured with vitamin supplementations.
Okay, so let's just understand first why this deficiency happens, because the solution you're saying seems so simple, no?
So there are multiple factors, not just one, but multiple factors. We need to understand that first and foremost, our lifestyle has changed so much. We are not getting exposure to sunlight as much. We're remaining indoors more often. Also, Indian diet is not very rich in vitamin D. And third and the most important thing is the Indian skin. Also, Indian skin has a lot of melanins and melanocytes, right? So these melanocytes don't allow the UVB rays to penetrate into the skin as much. Okay, and this UVB rays is very important to make the vitamin D. So basically that's also one of the reasons why we need more sun exposure.
But doctor, ये कहा जाता है कि ज़्यादा sun exposure से skin cancer के risks बढ़ते हैं. So how do we manage those things?
So basically, anyone who's prone to skin cancers, who has a family history or something like that, they have to depend on vitamin D supplementations, on dietary factors. So for non-vegetarians, fatty fish, egg yolk, vegetarians may fortified milk, ghee, chash, all this is rich in vitamin D. So but usually diet सिर्फ काफ़ी नहीं होता है, supplements add करना is very important. Those who are not at risk of skin cancer, of course for them 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure, especially in the morning, is much beneficial. But may I also add that हर औरत की needs अलग होती है, so it is always better to consult your doctor, because ज़्यादा vitamin D भी harmful होता है.
Really? ज़्यादा vitamin D भी harmful होता है?
Yes. So basically vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin. It's not like water soluble, so it will not be eliminated from your body like water. Generally वो store हो जाता है आपके body के अंदर, so if there is excess of vitamin D, वो excrete करना मुश्किल होता है. So basically it can cause toxicity of the vitamin, or what we call hypervitaminosis D.
Oh my god, this hypervitaminosis D What are the symptoms like?
So जब विटामिन डी बढ़ता है, बेसिकली विटामिन डी का फंक्शन इज टू अब्सॉर्ब द कैल्शियम.
Okay.
तो बॉडी का कैल्शियम भी बढ़ने लग जाता है. सो व्हेन देयर इज एक्सेस ऑफ कैल्शियम इन योर बॉडी, इट कैन कॉज नॉशिया, वॉमिटिंग, इट कैन कॉज इंक्रीज थर्स्ट, इट कैन कॉज इंक्रीज यूरिनेशन ऑल्सो. और ये सब कभी भी फूड से या फिर सन एक्सपोजर से नहीं होता है. दिस ओनली हैपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द सप्लीमेंट्स दैट यू इंजेस्ट. सो इट इज ऑलवेज बेस्ट कि आप एक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन फ्रॉम अ डॉक्टर से ही ये सप्लीमेंट्स लो.
That's great information. What do you think the normal doses are? Just so our audience knows that if they are doing hypersupplementation, they shouldn't and they should possibly go to a doctor.
So basically, we need to understand that first and foremost, we need to get your vitamin D tested. On the basis of that, the dose can be decided. Another important point is vitamin K2. Basically, vitamin D absorbs the calcium. बट इट इज द विटामिन K2 दैट इंश्योर्स कि ये जो कैल्शियम जो अब्सॉर्ब हुआ है वो आपके बोन तक पहुंचे और वो आपकी आर्टरीज में ब्लड में ना चला जाए.
This K2 suggestion is so underrated because I don't know how many people know about this.
Generally people don't know about this. So the bottom line is simple. आप रेगुलरली टेस्ट करवाओ, डॉक्टर को मिलो, उनके प्रिस्क्राइब्ड डोज के हिसाब से विटामिन डी लो, विटामिन K2 100% श्योरली लो उसके साथ, एंड रीटेस्ट करवाते रहो. गोल सिर्फ डेफिशिएंसी दूर करना नहीं है, बट टू स्टे इन ऑप्टिमल रेंज इज आवर गोल.
ओह अमेजिंग. डॉक्टर विनती ने काफी कुछ क्लियर कर दिया है. डेफिनेटली फॉर मी, होपफुली फॉर यू. पर अगर आप कंफ्यूज्ड हैं और एक सेफ स्पेस चाहती हैं तो जस्ट गो टू आवर पिंकी प्रॉमिस ऐप एंड चैट विद आवर डॉक्टर्स. इट्स जस्ट फॉर ₹99. और अगर आपको एक फिजिकल जजमेंट फ्री प्लेस चाहिए जहां पे आप आके डॉक्टर से बात कर सकती हैं, प्लीज कम डाउन टू आवर पिंकी प्रॉमिस क्लिनिक इन अंधेरी, मुंबई. एंड अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. एंड इन द कमेंट्स टेल अस व्हिच वीडियो वी शुड क्रिएट नेक्स्ट. और हम वापस आएंगे 100% साइंटिफिकली बैक्ड इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ. पिंकी प्रॉमिस.